Today I'll introduce 5 satisfying tofu recipes from Japanese home cooking. These are easy recipes that even beginners can try. They are perfect for enjoying with rice or as snacks with drinks. Now let's get started. I'm making teriyaki tofu. Wrap tofu in kitchen paper and wait for about 5 minutes for the water to come out. Cut 1 second nori seaweed into 4. Cut 1 second tofu into 4 pieces. Wrap each tofu with nori, making sure to place it on the rough side of the nori. Coat the tofu with potato starch. Place the tofu into oil carefully. Flip the tofu and continue frying all sides evenly. Since the tofu pieces are more likely to stick together with potato starch, place them with a little space between each. When the surface becomes slightly crispy, wipe off excess oil on the pan. Add water, soy sauce, mirin, vinegar, and sugar. Coat the tofu with sauce. Heat tofu until the sauce is reduced. Sprinkle sesame seeds, and it's done. Next, we'll make fried tofu with dashi, dashi tofu in Japanese. Wrap tofu in kitchen paper and wait for about 5 minutes for the water to come out. Cut half of the tofu into 2 cm thick pieces. It's an easier size to cook through. Coat each tofu with potato starch. Place the pieces into the oil carefully. Since the tofu pieces are more likely to stick together with potato starch, place them with a little space between each. Flip the tofu and continue frying both sides evenly. When the surface becomes slightly firm and crispy, lift the tofu from the oil onto a wire rack to drain excess oil. Heat the dashi, add mirin and soy sauce. Put grated ginger and sprinkle green onion. Today I didn't have daikon in the fridge, so I didn't use it, but adding grated daikon as a topping would make it even more delicious, so feel free to use it as you like. Today I'm making tofu cutlet just like tonkatsu. I'll use koya tofu as an ingredient, it is a traditional Japanese food made by freezing and then drying tofu, resulting in a dense, chewy texture and a concentrated flavor. Soak koya tofu in 50-degree warm water until it expands to about 2 to 3 times its original size. It's better to cover the koya tofu with a lid or plastic wrap to prevent it from floating. Squeeze out excess water well. Then make a cut in the center of its side to create a pocket. Cut a sliced cheese into 4 and stuff the koya tofu with cheese. Make a beaten egg. Coat the koya tofu with flour. Today I'm using rice powder instead. And dip it in a beaten egg. And then coat it with breadcrumbs. Repeat the same thing for another one. Heat the oil to 160 to 170 degrees. I checked if it's hot enough. Place koya tofu carefully into the oil. Fry them for 1.5 to 2 minutes on both sides. Today I'll serve shredded red cabbage with tofu katsu. Cutlet goes very well with shredded cabbage, but you can use any vegetables. But I forgot to drizzle the sauce. It goes well with Japanese tonkatsu sauce, Worcestershire sauce, or soy sauce. Now I'm making tofu gratin without any flour and milk. It is healthier and easier. Wrap the tofu with kitchen paper, place a plate on it, and leave it for 30 minutes. Miso paste into the bowl first, and add the mayonnaise. Mix well. When water comes out of the tofu, discard it. And add the tofu into it. Mix well again while mashing. Add boiled broccoli. I have some boiled broccoli in my fridge, so you can use any vegetables in your fridge. The canned tuna into a bowl. Put it in a casserole or other oven dish. And spread it evenly. Put cheese on it as much as you like. Put it in an oven and bake it at 220 degrees for 20 minutes. When the cheese has melted and turned golden brown, it's ready. You can use any vegetables you like. Boiled potatoes or carrots are also recommended, but vegetables with high water content may not be suitable.